Using Google Arts and Culture, we are going to research some of history's famous people. Students will pick a historical figure and go to Google Arts and Culture to further their research on the person they chose. Here we are on the Google Arts and Culture main page. One thing that I really love about this is that they break it up into different kinds of topics that you could simply get lost and just explore. As we can see a little bit more of Street View, famous sites on Street View. I mean, really, this site is amazing. But following our lesson today, we are going to pick a historical figure to dive more into. So today, I will be choosing Martin Luther King Jr. for my assignment. Historical figure right here. So it says right here that it has 397 items that we can really dive into. It starts off with a brief biography, and it's really showing his birth date and the day of his assassination. And then we can look through here that we have different stories that we can click on that are all related to our historical figure. We can dive more into images. There we see him with President Nixon, the commemorative stamp. So we are going to use Google Arts and Culture mainly as our research database. Every piece of information that we are going to put into our final project, whether that be a paper with Google Docs or a presentation with Google Slides, that's going to be open-ended to the student. Every piece of information will be coming from Google Arts and Culture.